Midjourney released an update just a few days ago, image editor and more. This was on August 16th, just a few days ago. We have a few updates. They released a web editor, combines reframe, repaint, vary region, pan, zoom into a single unified interface. While they've had a lot of this directly on Discord, it's not the best user experience. Inpainting works, but you can't zoom in as much as you'd like. You can't get into the fine details of what you're wanting to edit. Let's go ahead and jump in. I was checking out a bunch of these style references. I have a tool that I designed to make a bunch of these style prompts so we can test them out and see what looks really cool. I really like this kind of vibe. Let's go to editor. I'm just gonna put a man here. I want to see a man standing there looking out. Man standing in doorway. Submit. This is nice. It's so smooth. I like that it has the restore right there. That's cool. Very good. Yeah, that's cool. Those are all good. Which one do we like most? We'll choose this one. Let's see. Kind of like that one. So we'll go ahead and we'll do an editor on this. And we'll open this up over here and open this up over here. I don't even know what this size would be. Does it say? It doesn't automatically tell you what these dimensions are. But let's go ahead and just submit that again. An editor's fast. These are cool. I really like this style, whatever the style is. It's so dope. I really like that one. Stone on the inside. Got that smoke on the top. Yeah, it's the one. Very cool. Should we do anything else? We can make it larger so we can immediately do the scale. What's really cool about that is you no longer have to do the 2x zoom out. This is way more than a 2x zoom out. Very interesting. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's make it completely smaller and see what it does. So I really like this style. I want to see what this style does. I just love this style. Man, that's cool. That's dope. Yeah, that's really cool. The smoke coming in. But look, you do see a weird outline that it did. Let's go ahead and go into the editor one more time. And we'll just go ahead and clean that up. I don't like that little outline that it did. And I cleaned it up. Yeah, this is really good. I'm a perfectionist. I don't like whatever that is right there going on. And we'll go with this one. That is it. That's our image that we created today. And that's the image. I didn't upscale it or anything, but I'm not going to be using Photoshop anymore. So this is very cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was a quick little run through of the editor. Show you guys how it works. It's cool. It's a great addition. Can't complain. Have a great day, guys. I'll be putting out more videos soon. Thank you. Bye.